Alright, this is a cry for help here. Mercruiser 165. It'll turn over. Cannot get any... I think I'm getting spark. Cannot get it to actually fire. I don't think I'm getting any fuel into the carburetor here. Tried priming it, still nothing. Charged the battery. I don't know if something's going on with this. Is that the fuel pump, or is the fuel pump down in the gas tank here? I've also got this one random wire that was sitting next to the battery from the previous owner, but I have no idea what it goes to. Any suggestions? Please help.